guys, this is Ukinebo Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook on Ukinebo Mama page. You can also see me on Ukinebo Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
My people, who you can show this one? Nah, they say me go bring house paper. He go bring original skincare this thing come. Even somebody can print paper come out for machine. There is no need to ask, say, go bring house paper. The whole world knows, say, that house, na council house, na government house. Yes, na government house. No need of asking. Even food self, even of yourself, no say that house, na government house. Now wow. I felt to say this woman, why she dey always dey fuck up her fake life? Bring it this year. Okay, now this one she show as receipt of house. This one. Now so receipt of house they be. Receipt of house, building go dey the background. Go be logo. Building, receipt of house. Even they want to give you receipt of house. Where they sell car sell. If you buy car, they want to give you receipt of car. If you go use mercury light, they look at the background. If na house you won't buy, e dey. If na you go shop, if na electronics now you want buy any electronics, even say na laptop or anything when you won't buy, the receipt when they go give you, that electronics must dey. It must dey. Now be this thing where they put to know the original company. If you buy house, the receipt when they go give you for house, the company when you for buy that house, you must see building background for inside the paper. It must dey. Yeah? You go they show fake. It just show this one. I'm not sure say this one na good morning. The document before she post this like she drunk what alcohol last night. Are you serious? she don't post another one. She don't get money to buy her. See, she go fit buy her. She dey work. Somebody will just come for Euro country. You know they work. You say na social media give her money. Which social media? I you want to get money for social media. Which day Facebook say you person why even say na Facebook now they do this one. You know even fit use Facebook money to buy car. Which car you won't buy? Maybe na gwanga car 60 and 600 euro. Now you won't buy. She they use juju for your brother. Anything at all you buy. Anything when you buy, even if you order something now, I wish I will bring come out now. When you go see the logo of the something go dey the paper. It go dey the background of the paper. They go even write something on top. You go see and say, this thing, the building day. I don't understand. Wait till I will carry come out now. Wait till I tell you now so that I go understand them. Wait, may I check one paper for here. This one here. If I show this one now, I don't want to make people to they understand me. You go see the logo. This document. I don't want to make people come to say I buy this house because I don't want people to know that I buy house. That one on my house paper. You get what I want to go do. I want to come out this morning. I don't get what I want. I want sure. Because if I show my house paper now, they'll say, hey, lovely, you buy house, now you dey fool yourself. No say we not dey show. Wait. I must get something to show. But that my house paper, I don't want to show you. Wait. You must check it out, so something to show. If you see, you must see their logo. If you carry the paper, if you do it like this, you can see the logo. Any company that they go write author, they write, you see the logo. If you buy car, the company or the house, they go draw house put for the paper. The paper, if you hold on like this, show on to up, you go see the logo. The logo go there. So now this one go carry on. So people believe and say that way buy house. We not get money now. There is a video Lolo did yesterday. And Lolo say she wanted to confirm for the horse's mouth before she strike. Lolo, I said it before. Even the day she wear that cloth, if he talk to Ukinebo, audio go for everywhere now. As he foolish self, they will get in nakedness. He don't know. Not as I talk. I let her say this way that they say see a lot of say she go borrow this cloth where people say lovely shut up. You are jealous of her. You are jealous of her. Everything. You get one person when they wire me everything. They give me information. They give me information of her. That person now so me with an B. They give me information of her. That person, they give her money. You know what? Once you start to they give this woman money, the problem when she gets. When you start to they give her money, she go close to you. She go just close to you. Because she go feel say she they tap you. How much did they give her? 20,000. Take this 20,000. Take this 30,000. Take this 15,000. She they even collect 5,000 safe. Through that thing, now they can't draw near body. That cloth when Lolo they show yesterday. Lolo say she want to re-believe and hear for the horse's mouth. Good morning, how you dey? And hear for the horse's mouth. That cloth, when they talk about that cloth, I can't use now Esther. Now if I bring that cloth come out. As Esther touch show. As Esther touch show finish, now enter. I said the way when this cloth issue be, we know. We just know this cloth issue when she wear. We know. Now person carry this cloth give her. As he wear and finish, the person no carry the cloth. Now I thought say you know the shame. Cloth wear fellow woman like you wear. Now you go wear. I feel they tell now say this woman she be nobody. She be nobody. They'll come and say lovely you they jealous of her. This one don't bath. Wear lovely day. That woman don't bath. That woman they learn. They learn. A beggar, when they beg you fellow women money, as I can't do so, I just take myself so low. I don't reach my fellow woman house. I just carry a cloth. I go wear. How they wear? How they put person cloth for body? Never. Can't say I put person. When I get everything, how much is that cloth? She cannot afford it. Go and see that cloth. She cannot even afford that cloth. That cloth is not to 200 euros. She can't afford it. Then why is she bragging? Why should they brag? Why should they brag? She not drink. She just she not know what she they do. She's confused. She they crazy. You know say you get video when Ukinebo do yesterday. When Ukinebo say when she I've talked her. I just want to do live videos. Say we they even talking for a few days ago. I say when she go do live finish, all your body go come dey hot. Whether now so, she go take continue, they live life. You go say you fight people finish. You go dey cure yourself for inside house. You go dey heal yourself for inside house. She's in pain. Because you cannot do it alone. You can't do it alone. You know, you cannot do it alone. She's hot. What she's doing, not that she really like it. She's just looking for daily food to eat. You know? See, when I don't see the party where birthday when he do. Now she say he manage and do, he manage do the birthday now. People when they saw Accra for Nigeria, They don't say us cry again. Come on, Accra. Accra will not reach anything. This woman don't see who so for again. Accra. Hi. Ah, no. Now, this one me they tell them say, "Ikwo nuwaya mu egbegoto ne wena. Wa me so Una guess what he part this woman? This woman not get anything. I said that years back when this woman said she want to chase me. When she got the call, they ask for my information. Now I got to say, oh, you know who you won't go follow do saga. When you talk of say that they get property, that woman, she try. Now some come they give her. Now she come run come and say, they thought say I be my nyash. I they do this one. I they shift cars. I they shift this. I they shift that. Not be she can use amount they talk. Now that one come follow they do. What do you call it? Competition. Omomo no go aku ibieka. Sound like ibieka now. Good morning. How you dey? That is it. Ohwo no begi iwa eri. Ohwo ni obogbe na. That woman is a poor woman. Ohwo no beg. Ohwo bi ohwo. Iyan ko we competition. You go say also me take when I done mama. Worry. I carry your follow body. You say I felt no say you carry my follow body. You know say they see women like that. Eh? If my Benin girlfriend, I just say now my sister, because we don't take for years now. Now my sister. If I reach intro that time, I will just blow on. I say, see, you get want something when they here. You go say, okay, he will come meet me for Shintro. Hold this, so he will come meet me. Say, I'll say, see, that shop, that Igbo woman when they say Hollandis, he just bring Hollandis. We can't go there. Get one woman when he dey back of train station. The back of train station for Padova that time. His husband and Igbo, they get shop. I don't know, I don't forget the name. They be twins. The husband, they do hairdressing salon for up. The husband, the wife, they do hairdressing salon for up. For the up of the Africa shop. Now, twins get on. I don't forget their name now because it's long time. Me with my friend go there. If any man not dead in Hollandis, the woman they said, if you want say you want buy Hollandis, again I mean fake Hollandis, you'll not be this one now. They say so. The real name will be say yes. We meet our mama say neither they wear. The woman they sell any name when you define for Hollandis, the woman get her. Now make me they go there. I'll tell my friend say the woman come for market to my friend will go block me for there. Even as I even buy Hollandis rich, the woman asked me, say, my sister, where you dey see money? Na Igbo woman, he say, where you dey see money? When all those have hear you wanna, then come, they say, lovely, come and show us what you have. Lovely, come and show us what you have. The first luggage when I carry go house, he got another of my Benin girlfriend. Me with that one stay for the same house. Go ask that one. The first luggage when I carry that go house. Now Benin man, I me carry that luggage. This when I take carrier, the bag, na Napoli. Now one woman when they go Napoli, now I buy the bag. And also those big bag. Holland is when I put for inside more than 30 something. When they carry the load reach house, the man a very honest man. One slim guy like that. As I take carry the load, now so the load take reach house. When the load reach house, then I can't tell my brother, they can't go collect the load. When mama say, he say, now wow, Hollandis, they say the Hollandis for, they not tell mama say, not be here there for the bring Hollandis come Nigeria, because now the market when mama they shade. Mama say, 30 something Hollandis. Mama say, the only chance when he go to buy Hollandis, the man shade 30 Hollandis. I tell mama say take the one when you wanted the rest share am for my people small. Now so they take share am. If you be husband and wife, they go give you the same. You give the wife, give the this thing. My in-law now so I take do one. Give the wife, give am. How many years? 6 years or 8 to 2 years. One husband and wife go carry 12 years. Another husband and wife go carry 12 years. Because they say all those are being when you are way when they talk. I'm your manager webo where you webo the community no weje. If your brother they dress come out, they go really know say you come abroad. The way where your brothers go they dress come out. No a person go use man tell you say this family he get person for abroad. No, the way you want the if they come out. Even when me with my junior brother they talk last night, he say sister Europe because they clean shoe. My junior brother like shoe wear. Now say you with shoe. Because he say lovely. The name of the shoe when I buy go give my brother that time. My brother still know off for brain. They go school. He say when you go reach school, now one they know say he get sister for abroad. With the one when senior me that time, that one still they go school. Maybe you not get anything. She don't have. She just when Lolo know and Lolo ti say she get. Lolo ti say this woman get. She can't tell Lolo say now so I get this, now so I get that, now so I get that because she be 419. She go fair. I say 419. She be fake life. She go fair praise herself. May you for the respect her. Everything when you tell Lolo say he get, she no get. Maybe so. No, she no gets. She they call the fool herself. Now so she want to fool me that yeah, lovely. They say una the thief for thief that time. Una the thief for IT. Una thief finish for IT. Thief car. Thief everything. Una go push and go Nigeria. Now say before I say no worry. I'll come thief aeroplane. Now only aeroplane remain. Italian airline. Make I thief carry go Nigeria. If I feel move on go Nigeria. No be money. See wait till she can't show Nana. Okay, you know that bag. Okay. Well, that bag, we have here in your everyone. You know the fool. Now one bini guy. That guy they carry cargo. That guy know they do another thing. Now cargo now they carry. Now 2 bag. Now give her 2 bag. As they take see that bag, do everything. Now so it take reach house. Wait till not they inside that load when I carry go house. Gold, shoes, t-shirt. New one no. New one. Those one instead of una to go find way to na one use una life do. Only way to na just know say where they for they get money. Now only iwinukpo. Now they for they get money. No, there is another way you can make money. Not be only iwinukpo. Now it make you see some people today now. They don't feel bring something common at this ayoyowa. This ayoyowa when he mate, they hustle for red light. They get something. Okay. He useless. You know they say he go there Ukinebo say make he use juju. That juju they take the whole Ishama. You not feel use juju whole Ishama. Juju don't they work for Ishama body. Only say now winch the bad winch when he dey and the man where for still grow. That man grow as a house boy. He grow as a house boy. He no grow with his papa. He no grow with his mama. He grow as a house boy. You know, there is some people when they go house boy, they go come useless. Now that man be, he grow as a house boy. Now he make you the say you use juju for him. You know, see, he grow as a house boy. That is it. Person when go grow for north side. Which school he go for north side? Which school? Ukmo kekan. I no fit. Me, if I wear cloth, wear am today, wear am tomorrow. Sometimes you see me say I wear 2 t-shirts, you will see the t-shirt for my body, and today. You see am for my body, maybe tomorrow. That t-shirt, it go be 2. You know say that cloth I get am as 2. If I already I see say this thing. This small t-shirt when they think they stay here, say they just put on for sale. I'll just carry 2. Ohubu we ya me na wear cloth. The perfume when that one wear, no, that woman true dirty sha. Seriously, no go oneself. Your own cloth when only you want they wear safe. If you don't wear am like 2 days, you know if you wear am again. You say, I wear am today, I just manage am, wear am tomorrow before I go wash am. Ukmonaya ye party, naya gbuke the party. ana munu we mujo we na mujo we ma dare le de we hi e as ovie we hi na ovio ho ni iwae no be so be ni people tell ovio ho ni bole o we hi she don't get paper when she go bring up. Okay, sleep there. Why you don't show her bro's face? Sleep there. Why not? You know what? There is no need. There is no need. Machine now. Machine can print paper out. Most of those things when they print out say, did you see how much Facebook pay me? Machine they break everything out. She not buy house. Everybody knows say she not buy house. Okay, she use drink. I take pose this one. That one, if you still open your eye where now, you can't see and say, wait till one go carry a corner and only God know. Maybe the receipt when they take bring something come for them for AliExpress. She too loud. Then she had who she dey boast for. She no make her, I make. She won't make people they respect her. Woman when you make her, she don't need respect. She don't need people respect. If you are really a woman that make it or that have little, not be you go tell people make people respect you. You know tell people make people respect you. Now they go even they find you, they go make they can respect you. Oh no. Woman of his own when he gets something. You know they give people where he for they make that money. People will always they chook eye. This woman who she be? This woman who she be? This woman who she be? Now so she they do who she be? Now so it take the woman cloth where woman take go party. Maybe that cloth now when it take go party when Ukinebo wear give her. Maybe Ukinebo use that cloth now 2 times. She not wash am. Ukinebo perfume day. Ukinebo body spray day. Ukinebo deodorant day. You know say every woman gets their different deodorants where they use. You know, no matter how you go use deodorant reach, if you sweat, you must still get, if you don't wear that cloth 2 times, you must still get little small, say, armpit sweat day inside. Or hona wa mujo derio. We're not eating mui. A sweat in only or who boy mujo. Wait till you come, who you come the test story. You will see wear woman cloth. Wait till go party. You wear a mamune dry cleaner. Hi. Jesus Christ. Ooh. Huh. No be lie. Wait till Lord they talk. He talks is Jesus. What's woman? And Allah is I can't see me. You call Holland, I can't see you. When you they call, you they tell me say they call Holland. Where you may have had the Holland, you need a dummy. For your mind now, as I did live video, I not get work. Now your mind tell you. Some things they when I they do sometimes. If I want to do one sometimes, say na internet I did. Not be Facebook internet. I they spend 2 hours. Before I say make I check, I say, wow, I don't already spend 2 hours for this place. And they check on something, they check of things when they say. You say I won't no fear, you know. I Ambrose now if you talk to her, now she they control Ambrose now. Ambrose not get time, you know. Ambrose now person when you not get time. Just say the situation when the man can't find find himself. Ambrose not fit talk to her. What is she they bring come? You can predict that day when me with her when she come to show me her document. Because they say lovely see the house they don't take a picture. They print and come out zoom out. Print and command. Because they say, lovely, see the building, see the full building. Now me, they show building. Nonsense. Now me, I can't show you my house. Me, I can't show you. Why me, I can't show you my house? I will zoom my house, come out. the paper when I take buy this house, I go zoom and come out. May I go bring my receipt come. May I go bring my receipt come. When you both pay for this house for me, may I go bring the receipt come? I show her that day. All of them, they say, lovely, congratulations, lovely, congratulations. Oh my God. The way they say, nah, government house I did. They give them government house. Now they use a title to their own house. That is not come see me job. Come see you where you did. How they see anybody? Because she get Facebook money pass Ambrose. That's why that one changed to her. I beg you, she not get Facebook money. I mean Facebook, I mean go. Not be this Facebook. Not only she did that Facebook. Not only she did Facebook. The people when 100K they follow Stan, when 1000K they follow Stan, call Enoge. Enoge 1K they follow Enoge Stan. Even if Enoge they say, "Send me out, I'll kill you, give me, lovely, talk to me, lovely, I go insert you, lovely, I know I insert you, lovely, I go do you this one, say I don't they like to insult this woman. Say now wait till your wife they don't be that. Lovely, lovely, not deceive you, lovely, not deceive you. If you can't come back, your cousin say, "2K, don't watch lovely, oh, that's where you deceive you, lovely, where you deceive you." I say, now to deceive you, now they turn on me to make sense. Now since many people they can't go back there, they'll say which time lovely they do the video. That is the one that consider the problem for himself. How will she? Oh, the comment he come out. Why the comment come out? If you know what, if you not mention in name sometimes, you not write and complete, they will use and remove una comment. That is why you people are saying that why he comment come out. Why he comment come out? If you not want do, if you not tap and finish, if you not tap and finish, make una they separate the comment as Monica now. That spelling of Monica, we feel separate them 3 times. If now so they do, and they'll say, lovely, I don't know what you they write to. This one I don't know how to write to. No. As that spelling of Monica now, how many alphabet day? If now 6 alphabet day, now 8 alphabet day. Try to if you write M-O, then you dash am. You put again, you dash am, not just complete am. If you now complete the name, as I said, they don't already they delete una comment, they'll just see am. If you now write Ambrose, that Ambrose share am into 2 places, not just let am be full Ambrose. You just share am. It go be O B A B da. You will put point for there. The remaining spelling, you spell and finish. Now so that they do me even that time when I dey election area. One say I'm trying to hack this your Facebook. I couldn't hack this your Facebook. I say how can you hack my Facebook? Because I dey separate my spelling and I dey use pidgin English till they do am. Who true go school? If you true go school, you go feel know wetin pidgin English talk. You go know if you true get brain. You go know. You should have removed the house before. Should have renovated the house before showing it to people. This problem will not be happen to her now. Yes, because she never to hold a house say you with person no dey share am. They'll say you with person no dey share am. Is a joy because where she lived before, na person first get that house. She no get 100% for that house. She get her territory, get where they waka reach for that house. When you see the time when they show that house, they know they show that house fully. You know, tell me say they only that particular place when they show for the house when she get before say now only that house, they that building, that your apartment, other rooms they. They know they show, show her because na her own part of that house. Now she go show. There now she can't get her own house when council give her. Don't know how Bobby was so shocking her that she couldn't just clean it before he bring her come out. That is where Emina Degbe. That is what I said to her when she got angry. She said, "Lovely, enough that to me. You when I better pass now, you want to come advise me." I say, "I hear you better pass me. But how can you bring council house come out? Can't they tell people say you buy house?" I say, you could have renovate that house. If you renovate the house finish, then the day when you come enter, they'll say, Monica, where you dey? My people, I just buy this house. So you say, even say people no, even if say people they doubt, say you no buy am, they go still they doubt because the way when you take reach the house, people go they confuse, say, how? When you carry that house come Facebook, it not reach you 2 months now. When you take arrange that house, then why you no feel patient for that just 2 months? When you take arrange that house, say you no bring that house come out. Then she bring it. Then she want to change it. There is no way you can change it. Even the Ukinebo said it yesterday. That you use credit card to buy things for your council house. You should not afraid. She know everything by you. Not be this Ukinebo you go greet once at a time. Not be Ukinebo you go greet once at a time now. Abi. That time when you first buy, when you tell people say he buy baby Vera. And you see they tell people when they support her that they when do birthday. Money when those people give her for birthday, it no even reach 2,000 euro. When you go talk say one dog go use and take buy ordinary car. This baby Vera when he dey rise so, na me talk am. She dey rent am. I know this woman. Somebody tells a lovely person if you rent a car for 1 year, you don't see that woman month to month from first reach 30th. You go see that woman see that car. No, she know they go work. I will say she they go work now like Ukinebo now, like the one Ukinebo they ride now. Ukinebo they use and they go work. If she they go work now, say she want enter life, she go enter. If she they come back, she go enter for 30-something days. For a week, or Sunday and maybe on Sunday no they go work, or sometimes we see go work as far as na nurse she can go work at any time. Then if you see her, you will know say yes, now this woman to get this car because that car they use her every day. Where una go see these people if they want come and now they see them see that car. If you rent that car 2 times in a month, it can be possible. If you rent the car 2 times in a month, can possible. Okay, now they say belly too big. Why she not go fitting home? Go fit this, go born fat. She dey waka for street. She can't pay for it. She cannot pay. If now my belly be like that, I know they say I want go the waka. No, I will go pay for where I will fit myself, remove that ziggy when they inside belly. If you read go where they do fit here, before they go use and run around that place 3 times. If this thing will come for, not say all your body now don't fall enter belly. All those one when she they talk now storage. Do you know why she's debunking right now? Because people hear from the horse's mouth. People know that she was close to Ukinebo. Ukinebo said it by herself. Ukinebo is a person that she don't brag. She don't hide herself. She said that, yeah, she was her friend. If no other person, I would say, no, she's not my friend. She would say, no, I was not really there for her. That friendship was not really friendship. Blah, 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 because I know she's a wayward woman, but I did close to her 100% or 45%. They'll just want to say yes. But the woman, she speak the truth yesterday, say, yes, now her friend, they did together. Even when Monica will do live video finish, Monica will come call her. Now you call person, now you can't snow for person. Yeah. because she don already fight go, and he come still drink Jonah egbe go and we danyo. He still be drunker. Even know who needs sometimes Yahweh we danyo by. You see, huh? Then if you got the talk to Ukinebo now, you go come there's no. There is a day that she was doing live video. She slept off. The next thing when person they hear, krrr, 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 krrr. Yes, she was doing live video when she slept off. There is person one call corner person can say, Ukinebo na lie, you lie. Why you dey lie for Monica head? Everybody see that blogging of her snoring the other time when she dey snore. Is it snoring or be snore? I don't know how we say it. As Ukinebo just said that yesterday for her platform, I said, this woman, she didn't lie. Because even that snore when they snore, I think it was last year, one blogger blog it, where sleep for carry and go. She no know, she can't dey sleep. Be like say now people can't call her. They can't call your phone. You can't wake up. You can't quickly come on for life. It happened for Facebook last year. Then somebody should come and say, Ukinebo, maybe we'll come and go say, Ukinebo, I can't be me, ya matanogi me, be me, ya matanogo me, I be me, ya matano yogo me, tell them the truth, not to beat me for the truth when not be my own, not beat me for lie, I be me, ya matanogo me, What Ukinebo said yesterday, that is 100% true. That or I will live video for no call before you know no go reach 1 minute owe mwe or ask your Ukinebo no lie, because that thing happened for Facebook last year when she slept off. Everybody sit there, and we're going to say now that what Ukinebo said yesterday, Ukinebo is lying. No, she never lied. The woman, she say 100% truth. Yes. Oh, what okay, look at what she did to Ivie again. Ivie insult that woman finish. She go call her, say, well, Ivie, what here, Bona? You see, huh? Why did she do that? Even if that woman did this, the woman must know, say, maybe if the woman see and say, I don't want to watch Ivie, now you go tell say, no go watch Ivie. Which some blogger see, blogger. The problem she don't have anything. When she see people that have more than her, she will be angry. And when she make friend with them, she cannot stay that friendship. Because why? She have jealous heart. She will have bitter mind. That now this woman I just better pass me. So you better pass. Did you see? You say some people sometimes they'll say, now money give one person, since when you give this person money, business don't fall. Yes, some people if you give them money, they don't already they jealous see you. If you give them money, you go carry the money, you go spoil them. On top of my head, now you want to do mama. On top of my head, now you want to do mama. No, not on top of my head, you call they do mama. Those are the kind of people when she be. All those are when she just they talk. If you like, you see some paper for here now, can just go there. You get where we get computer house for here. I feel just go there now, go just print and come out. Everything, I go print and come out. I can't show people say, see you can print anything, pretty money out, pretty I get now 1,000 euro. Now Facebook they pay me, you can print it out. You go print am out. Carry Facebook. Do you know you can print 2 paper at a time? The machine go do this something for 1 paper. You carry this paper come, carry another 1 paper come. It go be different thing. The paper when you want print that something put now only one. Only one. You go print 2 something put. We don't take for abroad. You don't think on brainwash. The people when they brainwash, I don't really know. I don't really know if you are brainwashing people. No. You are just fooling yourself. Because there is nobody you will brainwash. Because nobody when they outside, they sleep. Everybody they house. even the house when government they give people safe, they know everything when they do for inside the house. If something spoil, they know who they go call. They go book appointments. The company of the house. Now you go book an appointment. Call them, say something like this spoil. They'll say, okay, so time like this, we'll send somebody come. We know everything about house. Even people that even buy house safe. The day when you they buy that house, they'll bring many agents where you for buy that house. You go bring many company where they repair things for inside house. If your basin sick, if you're sick, full, if your toilet get the way when it be, anything when they your house say no they do where agency go print everything. Put on. You go say these are the people when be say engineer when they repair things for house. If your things spoil, they'll put on for inside the file when you take buy house. Your paper of your house with all those engineer when they repair something, they go put their paper, put on for your file. The fee put 3, they'll say anyone when you choose to take, you call. That is how. Now so my 5 day. Anyone when I like to call, I go call. You see her, if it's something spoil for your house, we go come repair them. That is it. Then why did they tell say una dey jealous you because say she buy house, now make una dey jealous you. No, people when buy house, they talk. I go carry my 5 when Oyibo take buy house for me. I bring the 5. If I bring am on, I go dey shout. Okay, I say, hey, see you, hey, not be your, not your. You go still be original one, oh. You know, say if I want to show something, I don't dey show fake. I will show one, bye. Put on there, zoom out, make una, look and wear. My name go day. The day when they sell the house, the day when my Oyibo buy the house, the day when I sign the contract, the day when Oyibo signature still day, everything. Now see say, hey, lovely, now lie, that one, she don't get anything. Now be she buy house, she don't get house, she don't get this one. Oh, why we yetilewa? Now fake life, now you na the fee say, now be original. See her now, look at what she bring. They said that she bring it with alcoholic eye. A house, if you know it, if you buy a house, the day when you buy the house, you they pay, you they come out, they go give you file of your house. You know, if you tell me say the file of your house, now you they put skin, beauty, clear, something, You know, tell me say now they say file, your house file with your beauty skin something. And they say file you put on. Because this beauty skin of it, something when they talk so. And this they don't deal with you for many years ago. You know, you tell me say the place where you put on for one file, now you go come out for the file, put on for the new file. When you they lie to people say you buy house, you just put on for the file when they just new give you 3 months ago. Because this thing, this beauty enemy care cream when they rub, don't take when this thing day with you. Then you can't go bring them for the file when that one day for years. For how many years? Even if say last year, you go carry and come on, you can't put out for the one when you take buy a house as you claim, because we know say you not buying. You can't come put this this receipt. This is not even receipt. This is an agreement that I will help you to the show this thing. Now agreement, now this will be. Now agreement. Now it be. You know, see, huh? Who you can't show this one? Now, people don't know how to read. This is an agreement. Huh? So this thing don't take one day with you. You go bring and come for that file now. As you bring and come for that old file, you can't put on for new file. When you the tell person say you build house. So as you they hold, so the receipt where they give you for house, now so it comes small rich, comes small. Why do you? If they give you paper, give you receipt, give you everything, they give you everything. You go see and they go. how they go do and they go what did they call am? That is when they take the knock paper that year. That machine when they take the knit paper, they go use and take knit am. So if you no want it, I go be one. Now this one you go carry come on. I beg. You cannot even pay for anything in the house. Yeah, that is the problem. You know if you pay for anything, na good money, mama good money. You know if you pay for anything. See wetin you carry come. Una no say una no fit read down. Wa be tie na. Wa be tie. Skincare now you go carry come. Skincare this thing when you make contract with them. You know say this skincare of 18. You know say the woman when they give her with ES that year. You know say as the woman got to say no want again since that they quarrel, he wanted the business come on for their hand. What did she do? Now two of them, now the woman suspend though. She come quickly run come and say they suspend Lolo. You see her, but now two of them, now the woman suspend. Before Lolo come, the boy can say, now two of us, now the woman suspend because of why? Una they fight. This woman, she can quick. You know, she's so foolish. She don't know when to debunk. She don't know when not to debunk. That is her problem. She cannot make it. Even this woman see a particular place where she will make it. She will ignore that particular place. Then she will go to fight for where you know go fit make her. Why being fighting on Facebook every time? You dey London there. There is some people when they do black job for London and then they receive money pass who they give a contract. Did you know why people always say if they give the contract, they go be happy? When you have contract, you can buy a house, you can buy a car, you can carry anything you want to carry. If you holiday rich, they go pay you your holiday money. But if they do black job, all those things, you don't follow on. There are some people they do the black job when they do a day. Before month go end, they receive money pass who they work for one place when get contract. Only that contract, say people want that contract. If you want to buy a house, if you want to buy a car, if you want to go take loan, you can do this. If you are doing fake job, you cannot take loan. That is why you they work, they give you contract. Now that one it take different. Like the other day when they say, you can't say you want brick kitchen come on. I say this kitchen, if I want buy, I will fit buy. I will fit buy this kitchen. Now therefore no, they go know how many income are they receive a year and how much are they earn a month. Now they go fit give me that kitchen. If they'll come and say okay, when you pay your house rent, let's say for example, people when they pay house rent, not a person when or you buy house for, not a person when you see buy house by himself. They'll say okay, you pay your house rent, okay, how much is your money? They'll come calculate and they'll say okay, now 2,000 euro, now you they see every month. Okay, they can remove house rent. Maybe your house rent should be 600 or 650. How much you still get for there? You still get 1,350. That 1,350 now, they also say that 300 more just put on for energy, gas. They will put that 300 for energy and gas. You remain 1,000 euro. That 1,000 euro, and they go to say you go eat more. You go eat. They'll say okay, make they carry 500. Make they carry 500. Make they just put on aside. Say okay, now this 500 now you take they eat before month go end. Like some people, yeah, they use 500 euro eat before month go end. Some they use 600. Depends of the way when you take like food, expensive food. Then how much can remain? It remain 500. That 500, if you want to buy a kitchen of 15,000, 20,000 euro, that 500 they will say now, they don't remove everything. Now 500 now can remain now. After they remove everything, now 500 can remain. wetin they will tell you, they will say inside that 500 they will fit dey collect 300 every month. You know, see every month you dey, before you know, a year, calculate am, a year, 3 times 12 months, you don almost dey pay that thing half dey go. Before 5 years, you remain small, you wan pay and finish. Did you see the way it work? All those one wey be say that they do mumu, na dey mumu. And before they go give you, before maybe that kitchen, now they'll say, okay, before they go give me that kitchen.
You see my shoe was there. You see my shoe was there.
No, check up. You see, remain 200 euro. And before I want carry that kitchen, they will first check whether I carry things when I they pay for. They go first check whether I carry things when I they pay for. That is how you work. Not be all those who want they talk, say, una don't know anything, una going to talk story all the time, story. See, I don't bring receipt when they buy house. They say, now drink I, now it bring and come. Now drink I, which drink I. You don't see disgrace itself for yeah. God don't already dey disgrace am. My people, may I can't live una, may I waka come out. Now so disgrace you go dey disgrace. You will come see show another one. If you can't put eye down where now, you can't see say na maybe na where if you buy fridge. Now the receipt you will come show now. You not buy any house. Now council give a house. That you cannot buy a house. The house go dirty rich like that. For abroad, no day. In no day. They must they maintain that copper because if the buyer they come so that place it go sweeter to buy. If he say one, if you say I go say I like this house. If you don't carry house like that, put for this. If you don't read everything, don't make nyama. The buyer go come out. It's the seller must still get where he go repair for the house. When be say if any buyer reach there, he go enter his eye. Somebody when he want sell house, he go fair do that house before he put on for air.